Hey everybody, it's the Straight Edge Monster, and today we are doing the November Pro Wrestling Crate unboxing. Let's get to it. Alright, so we already pre-opened this bad boy. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys here on the channel.
I think that egg is ready to blow!
Oh, there it is! What is it?
What in a world?
We got the card here. We're going to put it over there. Actually, you know what? Let's see what's in next month's crate right quick. Next month crate features Kevin Steen, believe it or not, Mick Foley, Lucha Bros, Awesome Kong, Glacier, which we haven't seen since, I believe, last October, when we got this mask, EC3, Brian Pillman Jr., and Nick Gage. That's going to be a weird December month right there. We got the two shirts here. I don't even remember who's in this month, to be real with you. Can't remember. We're going to put everything face down so that I can't see it. I assume that something was supposed to be inside that. Something slipped out of that packaging. And then the autograph right here. Alright, let's go ahead and start with this Cassie Lee and Jessica McKay, the formerly known as the Iconics, now the Inspiration. Tales from the Road. That's pretty cool. Interesting. Mine's a little bit messed up on the bottom, but it's all good. Let's see. We got the Micro Brawler. It's Virgil, and it will be up on my eBay eventually. I have opened up my eBay store where I've been posting a bunch of the Micro Brawlers, and I'm doing a lot of my old action figures up on my eBay as well. I'll put that in the description below in case you're interested. And I sometimes put up the pins as well. And speaking of pins, let's go ahead and get into this pin. It's RJ City pin. I actually really do like RJ City, but I probably will put that on there just because. And I believe that's what slipped out of this. I think that was supposed to be in this package, and it slipped out. Yes, it fits perfectly, so I feel like that's what it was for whatever reason. But yeah, RJ City pin. Oh my goodness, it is a gorgeous Tyler Breeze mirror. Like a little compact mirror, because of course, there you can see the dimension of the computer there. You're welcome. So that's pretty cool. I might give that one to Christina. Let's go to the two shirts here. Oh wait, we got a Funk You sticker as well from Terry Funk. That's cool. That would have been a cool shirt right there. I would have loved that shirt, like on a white shirt or a black or like a gray shirt or something like that. Did you know I'm a fan of the different color shirts if you've been watching the channel for a little bit? But we actually do only have one black shirt and the other one is a gray. Let's do the black one first. What is the special shirt this month? Oh my god. My Hero Kenny Omega shirt. I'm not a big anime guy, but obviously I know what My Hero Academia is, and this is a fantastic shirt. If you guys love anime, and a lot of wrestling fans do, I'm sure they'll love that shirt. That shirt is really awesome. Probably going to keep that shirt. And of course I'm going to keep this shirt, which is not the black shirt. So it's not a black shirt, so check mark for that. And it's Luna Vachon, and it's a sick picture. This might be my favorite two combo shirts that I've gotten so far in Pro Wrestling Crate. Both of those are S tier quality. Let's see what the autograph is inside. It's Swoggle. His little Swoggle. Gotta love that. Hornswoggle autograph. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I didn't get the chase on the pin or the Micro Brawler this time. I've only literally gotten, out of all the Pro Wrestling Crates I've gotten, I've only gotten one chase pin that was Danhausen that I recently sold, and one chase Micro Brawler, which is Lex Luger, which is available on my eBay currently. That's crazy to me to think that many people get the Pro Wrestling Crate, and if you don't get the Pro Wrestling Crate, I strongly suggest you should. These two shirts, by far worth it alone in this month's crate. Loved everything about it. Let's go down the rundown and make sure we didn't miss anything, which I don't think we did. My Hero Kenny Omega t-shirt, Daughter of Darkness, Luna Vachon t-shirt, the Virgil Micro Brawler with 250 chase variants included, Cassie Lee and Jesse McKay comic book, the Swoggle autograph 8x10, the RJ City lapel pin with 100 chase variants, Tyler Breeze hand mirror, and the Terry Funk sticker. We got all that. Great crate. Can't wait for December. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little video. I'll be back next month with another Pro Wrestling crate, and I believe the All Elite crate drops next month as well, so I'll be looking forward to that. If you like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Hope you all have a great day. Monster down.